Hey everybody, let's get started with another round of quick images. So you need something to write on and something to write with. Okay, I'm going to show you two different images and you're going to try and copy that image on your piece of paper or whiteboard or whatever you have to write on, okay? So once you copy that image, you're going to try and tell me the total amount of dots that you see. Okay? Are you ready? Here's our first one. Oh, I gotta use. There we go. That's a hard one. Oh. They're getting way harder. All right. Ready to see it again? Go. All right, that was fast. Did everyone get it? I'm drawing my dots right now. And then I'm gonna do something a little different on the bottom, okay? So on the count of 3, turn your paper over and show Miss Helvey. Ooh, okay, so the first one, let's see it, see if we're right. So the first card I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect. This one I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect. So in my brain, I see 5 plus 6 equals how many total? I think I heard it. 11. Okay? You ready for the next one? What Miss Helvey's going to do, I'm going to leave my outline of the card and erase the dots. This is what I have. I have 2 blank cards, and then a plus sign and an equal sign. So when I turn over this next page, I am prepared. Are you ready? 2 thumbs up. Ready, set, go. All right, did you draw it? Might have been a little too fast, but that's okay. We're going to see it again. Ready, set, go. Let's see if you can get it. All right, you have drawn your cards. Now write your equation down at the bottom. Anyone notice anything? Ready, on the count of 3, show me your paper. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do you notice? I see the same equation, the same answer, but were our dots a little different? Yeah, let's see. So the location of the dots was different than the last round, but there were still 5 dots right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 dots over here. Okay? So did everyone get that? Remember, you have these dot cards at home. Cut them out and play this game at home if you want to. This could turn into a fun game night. All right? So that's your quick images for today. I hope you enjoyed. See you, first grade.